Differentiate y equals 4x squared minus 5x plus 8 divided by 2x cubed plus 1. This is a quotient. It's two functions that are divided, and we need to use the quotient rule, which looks something like this. If I have a function f divided by a function g, and I want to find their derivative, then I have to use this kind of complicated formula. Gf prime minus f g prime all over g squared. So the prime means take the derivative. And there's a good way to remember this. If you think of this function as high and this function as low, and we want to take the derivative, you can think of this as low d high minus high d low all over low squared. Because the order matters on top. Since we're subtracting gf prime minus fg prime, you can't switch the order of these two things. You'll get a difference of a sign if you do. So let's use the formula and take the derivative. So I have y prime equals, first I want to take g, so that means you just leave the bottom thing alone, 2x cubed plus 1, times f prime, that's the derivative of the top function. And I should point out that this top function up here, f of x, that's 4x squared minus 5x plus 8. And the bottom one, g of x, that's 2x cubed plus 1. Okay, so now I want to take the derivative of f, that's going to be 8x minus 5. And then minus, now I just write f, leave it alone, 4x squared minus 5x plus 8. And multiply that times the derivative of g. That's going to be 6x squared. And all of that is going to be over g squared. So that's going to be 2x cubed plus 1 squared. Now at this point you could go through and multiply a bunch of stuff out, but it's kind of a mess. I say just leave it like this. That's the derivative.